In Palestine, water is not just a basic need, it is a daily struggle. It is a prayer whispered by parents. It is a hope carried by children who deserve to grow in safety, health, and dignity. For many families, clean water is no longer something easy to find. Homes have been damaged, facilities have been destroyed, and in the middle of hardship, families continue to survive with whatever water they can reach. A mother tries to prepare water for her children. A father worries whether his family will have enough to drink today. A child waits, not for toys or comfort, but for something as simple as clean water. Behind every drop, there is a life. Behind every cup of water, there is a family trying to hold on. Through this clean water program for Palestine, we want to help provide safe water access for families who need it most. Your support can help deliver clean water, support water distribution, and bring relief to communities facing difficult days. This is not only about water, it is about protecting life, it is about restoring dignity. It is about showing our brothers and sisters in Palestine that they are not forgotten. Every donation, no matter the amount, can become a source of relief, a drop of kindness. From you can become water for a child. Small act of giving can become hope for a family. A sincere contribution can become a lifeline for those who are waiting. Today, let us stand with Palestine. Let us turn our compassion into action. Let us help clean water flow where it is needed most. Donate now and be part of the hope that keeps Palestine alive.